Object-oriented programming is like building with Lego blocks. You create reusable objects that contain both data and actions, making complex programs manageable and organized. Think about a car object in real world, which has properties like color, speed, and fuel level, plus methods like start, stop, and accelerate. Object-oriented programming has 4 core pillars. Encapsulation hides internal details. Inheritance lets objects share common features. Polymorphism allows the same interface to have different behaviors. And abstraction focuses on essential features while hiding complexity. Object-oriented programming prevents code chaos and makes large applications maintainable. Instead of scattered functions and variables everywhere, you have organized objects that know how to handle themselves. This is how professional software gets built and how you transform from writing simple scripts to building robust, scalable applications.